I want you to think about the last job you applied for. You know the one you really wanted. You spent hours, maybe days, getting that resume just perfect. And then you hit submit.
And in 0.3 seconds, before a single human being even laid eyes on your file, an AI made its decision. Rejected. Not because you weren't the right person for the job, but because a machine didn't find the exact words it was looking for.
But here's the part that should really worry you. When an AI rejects you, 71% of the time, no human ever double-checks its work. Your resume, your experience, it's just gone. Thrown into a digital black hole, silently and permanently. Now, to really get a handle on this, you have to understand the sheer scale of the problem. And it all starts right here, with India's biggest job portal. Right now, sitting in the Naukri.com database are 7.83 crore resumes. That's over 78 million Indian professionals who've uploaded their entire careers, their hopes, onto a single platform. And every single day, that platform gets over 30 lakh new job applications. 30 lakh. Every single day. So here's the question we should all be asking. Who or what is actually looking at all of them? Well, the answer isn't a team of recruiters. It's an algorithm. It's called an applicant tracking system, or ATS, and it's an AI that scans your resume, gives you a score, and if that score isn't high enough, you just disappear from the system. Game over. And this isn't some fringe technology. By 2026, a staggering 83% of companies worldwide are using AI to screen resumes. That is a huge leap from just 48% 2 years ago. The bottom line is, if you've applied for a job at a big company, a machine saw your resume first, guaranteed. So what does this mean for you? It means 75% of all resumes are thrown out by these systems before a human even has a chance to see them. Let that sink in. 3 out of every 4 people who apply are just gone. Invisible. And here is the craziest part of all. The companies themselves know the AI is broken. They know it's rejecting good people. In fact, 74% of recruiting teams in India admit they have a hard time finding the right talent, even when those people are already in their database. And yet, they keep letting the AI run the show. Let me just break down exactly how this machine rejects you. First, something called a parser tries to read your resume. If you have images or tables or fancy columns, it just fails. It can't read it. Second, it looks for keywords, and I mean exact keywords from the job description. So if the company wants team leadership and you wrote people management, guess what? Your score goes down. And finally, it gives you that score, and anything below a 70% match is usually just rejected on the spot. And this, right here, is the crisis in a nutshell. Employers are setting that passing grade at around 70 out of 100, but the median score for the average Indian resume is just 48. Most professionals are starting the race more than 20 points behind the finish line. But it gets so much worse. This isn't just about keywords. It's about deep, baked-in bias. 67% of companies admit their AI hiring tools could be biased. See, these systems are trained on old data, and that data is full of human bias. One major study found these AIs favor certain names over others 85% of the time. Now, just apply that same broken logic to Indian names. Names like Rajesh, Priya, Suresh, Nananya. The AI learns from who got hired in the past, and it just repeats those patterns again and again at a scale we can't even comprehend. So what does this all mean for the future? I am making this prediction publicly, on record today. The resume as we know it is dying. It is on its way out. I believe that by 2028, the main thing a recruiter looks at will not be a PDF you email them. The AI is getting smarter, and it's not going to care what you say you can do. It's going to care about what it can prove you've done. They're going to look for your digital footprint. And what is that? It's all the verifiable, machine-readable proof of your skills. Your code on GitHub, your articles and engagement on LinkedIn, your online portfolio, your verified certificates from places like Google or AWS. The truth is, if your skills only exist on a piece of paper, you're going to become invisible. Okay, so that's the problem. But I'm not here to just give you bad news. I'm here to tell you how to fight back. Here's what you can do, starting today. Here is your 5-step action plan. 1. Test your resume's ATS score. There are free scanners online. Do it. 2. Perform keyword surgery. Literally copy and paste the exact keywords from the job description into your resume. 3.
Rescue your format. Keep it simple. Single column. No images. No tables. Period. 4. Build your digital proof stack. Get active on LinkedIn. Get some of those verifiable certifications. And 5. This one is the most powerful of all.
Activate the human bypass. You know, the easiest way to beat the AI is to just go around it. A referral from an employee makes you 8 times more likely to get the job than just applying online. Your next job isn't going to come from an algorithm. It's going to come from a person you know.
So now the choice is yours. What's your next move going to be?
The AI isn't your enemy, but an AI that you don't understand is. While you're sitting there wondering why you haven't heard back, that machine has already scored you. So the only real question left is this. Are you going to learn to speak its language? Or are you just going to keep hoping a human is reading your resume when the truth is, no one is?
If you're ready to build an AI-proof career strategy and really learn how to turn these systems into your advantage, visit AIskillace.com.
And finally, if this opened your eyes, I'm asking you to do one thing. Share this with one person you know who is job hunting right now. Just one. You could literally change the direction of their entire career.